Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Yo, whole Jamaica and the whole country we are watching. I'm from yo, come here tell us that yo.
Alright, from man boss on a saying, hey
Yo.
boy 6.
Yo.
Hey boy, we are calling
Hey boy
yourself 6.
squash, you call yourself 6.
How we run G
Hey
City?
boy squash, yo, you take man name in no squash. And you don't go like I say, you don't want member man in no squash.
Are you Bill
You
6?
pay for your millions of dollars to win and a top going like your high.
I mean, I top banger, brother. What happened to you? Are you run
Yo,
6?
we are real 6 right now, 6 in your forehead. Who is 0?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, you don't know this are the skiller, you see it? Now, what I just see a while ago is pieces of a video that is circulating on social media right about now that is considered or is said to be a message that has been sent to a dancehall artist that is called Squash, which is a member of a group, a dancehall group that is called Six. He's also considered to be the boss of that group, and they say he is called the Six Boss. Now, these men that they sent the message in the video, they consider them to be as thugs, and the message that has been sent, they consider that message to be a threat. Now, social media have been talking, and a lot of speculations is behind this whole things. People are saying, which is the social media, is like they are saying these men are seeking attention. Some people are saying that they take this thing very serious because you never know what. And some people are saying no, they're not looking attention because they are in mask and so on and so forth. You see me? I bring this video to you, but it has been edited because you don't know I keep my channel as family friendly as possible. These men said that they are the ones that built the whole name that is called Sixth, and they are trying to say that dancehall artist, which is known as Squash, has taken the name for himself. Basically, they are saying that he stole the name from them. Understand? They go to as far as said that they are the ones that are the boss of G City. And you know, if you listen many times, you hear the dancehall artist Squash talk about this thing of G City and so forth. And that's like a group that is known to the whole Jamaica as a part of Squash's whole syndicate. So may I say, now these men, they say that these men are somewhere from within Mobile. That's where them say them consider them to be at. But you don't know the dancehall skiller, only bring it to you as how it is on social media. See me? So right about now, this way just see a while ago is the hot thing that is on social media right about now, and they say that this one is called Thugs sending threat to dancehall artist that is called Squash. You understand? Alright, so you don't know me only send to you what on social media, keep on up to date and posted, and I'm gonna know what I go on. You see me? So if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skiller. Big up on yourself. You see?